Hey everyone, Zia here and welcome back to the channel. I have some absolutely insane and important updates for you today, okay? Let's jump right into it. Get ready, Zo crew. A beverage giant is making a move that could shake up the entire Indian market. We are talking about $1 billion bombshell. Is this the ultimate power play or a risky gamble? Okay, Zo crew, look at this. Bloomberg reports Coca-Cola is eyeing a public offering for its Indian bottling unit. And the numbers on screen, they are aiming for a jaw-dropping $1 billion. This is not just a small listing. Sources say the unit itself is valued at around $10 billion. Imagine that. But here's the wild part. Coca-Cola is not alone. They are joining a massive trend of international companies listing subsidiaries in India. We saw LG and Hyundai make huge moves already, and as you can see, India's IPO market is absolutely exploding, poised for a record-breaking year. It is an economic tidal wave. And the implications are just mind-blowing. This is not just some small operation. Their Indian partner serves over 2 million retail outlets with a massive workforce. And we have the receipts. This company runs 14 production facilities across 12 states. They have even sold a minority share to a local conglomerate, building strategic alliances. So, Zo crew, what does this mean for the global beverage landscape and India's booming economy? Will this massive IPO set a new precedent for international giants? What's your take on this colossal move? Now for a story that you might find a little hard to believe. Okay, Zo fam, get ready for a wild ride. Imagine your favorite spot, a bustling cafe, suddenly turning into a crime scene, under attack, not once, not twice, but 3 times. What in the world is going on here? Yes, you heard that right, Zo fam. Kapil Sharma's Caps Cafe in Surrey, Canada has been hit again. This third attack, captured in a shocking video, shows a vehicle firing at the venue. And look at what's popping up online, as the text overlay shows, 3 RD attack in 3 MONTHS, KAP's Cafe targeted. But here's the wild part. A social media post, allegedly from associates of gangster Lawrence Bishnoi, Kulveer Sidhu, and Goldie Dillon, claims responsibility. And the message on screen, Zo fam, is chilling. Gangster threat. Bullets can come from anywhere, specifically warning Bollywood figures who speak against our religion. This isn't just about a cafe, Zo fam. It's about a clear, undeniable threat from alleged gang members against anyone perceived as a debtor, a critic, or even those in Bollywood. And we have the receipts right here confirming these repeated attacks and the chilling social media declaration as shown by the text. Underworld warning, Bollywood targeted. The local authorities are deep into their probe, but the message from these alleged gangsters is loud and clear. Is this a new chapter of intimidation, spreading fear beyond borders, or something even more complex? What's your take on this, Zo fam? And that brings us to our next headline, which has a lot of people talking. Okay, get ready for a deep dive. The Diwali season is around the corner, and gold and silver prices, they are on an absolute wild ride. But is this a glittering opportunity or a financial illusion about to crash? Experts are screaming buy on dips, and look at this. MCX Gold is already trading at 127,000 rupees. And if you check the chart, this price behavior, it's all about forming higher lows, a classic sign of strength. But remember this key detail, it is targeting 130,000 rupees. But here's the wild part. While gold shines, silver is literally outperforming it. MCX silver is hovering around 160,000 rupees, eyeing 163,000. And the data shows us a clear picture of higher highs and higher lows, a rock-solid uptrend. And the implications are just mind-blowing. This isn't just a precious metal. It's got industrial demand backing it too. Now, why is this happening? Look at the factors. Geopolitical tensions, inflationary concerns, and a weak global economic outlook. These aren't just buzzwords. These are the unseen forces pushing gold and silver higher. But hold on, because it gets crazier. This isn't just about Diwali spending. It's about global instability driving demand for safe haven assets. So what's the end game here? With such strong bullish signals, experts are betting big. The question is, with Diwali right around the corner and the market poised for more twists, are you buying the hype Or are you waiting for the next dip? Meanwhile, in a story that's still developing, Zo News, get ready. The financial world is holding its breath as India's biggest insurance giant prepares for a massive reveal. Will it be a triumph or a total market meltdown? You are not going to believe what's brewing. Okay, Zo News, here are the details you need to know. LIC, the behemoth, just announced its board is meeting on November 6th. And when you see the date right here, LIC Board METS NOV 6, 2025. Q2 results, it sets the stage for a critical financial moment. What could this mean for millions of investors? But here's the shocking twist. While Q1 saw a 5% net profit jump, market analysts, as you can see from this report, are waving red flags for Q2. Look at this forecast. Q1 profit UP, Q2 forecast, 1% decline. This changes everything. And the experts are completely split. On one hand, you have robust Q1 numbers like the 15.4% VNB margin, right there. But then, there's the Q2 margin compression prediction. The data tells a very different story, and investors are watching every move. So, Zo News, is LIC gearing up for a strategic shift, or are these just the natural ebb and flow of a market giant? What's your take on this massive financial ripple effect? Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to hit that button. It really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Zo News.